Planning to explore York, but don't want to drag your luggage around all day? Radical Storage offers a quick and secure way to store your bags while you enjoy the city's sights. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to deposit your luggage at a luggage storage point in York using Radical Storage, a trusted platform offering secure and insured storage options. Radical Storage partners with local businesses such as hotels, cafes, and shops, ensuring your luggage is safe while you explore. Be cautious of phishing sites when searching for Radical Storage online. For safety, use the secure link provided to access the official Radical Storage website. Once on the site, finding a luggage storage point in York is simple. Just enter York into the search bar, and you'll be presented with a list of available storage locations across the city. Choose a location that's most convenient, whether it's near popular tourist attractions, transport hubs, or the city center. Next, select your drop-off and pick-up times and proceed with the secure payment process. After booking, you'll receive a reference number and directions to the chosen luggage storage point. Upon arrival, show your reference to the staff, and they will safely store your luggage for you. That's it. Now you can explore York freely, knowing your belongings are secure with Radical Storage. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.